Hi guys, it's G and today I'm bringing you my self-care routine since everybody needs at least one day a week where we look after our mind and body. So relax and enjoy the vid. One thing that I always believe in is a tidy room is a tidy mind. Just simply making your bed, putting bits and bobs away really helps your overall feeling. One thing I've recently noticed is adding greenery, real or fake plants instantly really helps my mood. It brings it up, makes my room feel much more cleaner and calmer. Of course, would this even be my video without including a candle? Just lighting a candle instantly makes me feel so much more relaxed and cozy. It's my quick fix when I feel stressed. You guys know comfort is key, so I love throwing on my big oversized jumper. It's so cozy and warm. This probably sounds random, but it's known that dogs lower stress levels and instantly can make a person happy. When you are living your single life like me, a dog is the best next thing in life, so dogs are the way to go. Moving on to my favourite part, skincare. You know how much I love my skincare. This part of the video is in collaboration with Vanity Planet. You guys know how much I love Vanity Planet and their products never let me down. I have already cleansed my face, so we're going to go straight into the moisturiser. I am absolutely loving Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Been using this for a few months now and I haven't put this product down. It is so lightweight, keeps my skin hydrated and glowing. Once I've massaged that into my skin, I then use my favourite skincare gadget, the Vanity Planet Forever Young. This is the ultimate spa day at home. The Forever Young uses hot and cold settings along with the sonic vibrations to make the most of your skincare routine while making you feel super relaxed. First, I use the hot mode, which opens up my pores to allow serums, creams and moisturisers to be absorbed much quicker into the skin. Now I change to the cool mode, which then shrinks the pores, which allows my skin to lock all of the moisture in and the other benefits of the products used. This mode also lessens the appearance of fine lines. This is amazing because you guys know I have expressionate forehead lines and I love using this to help reduce red spots while it soothes them as well. My skin hasn't been the best at the minute, so this honestly has been a skin saviour at the minute. Vanity Planet have been so far and given you guys a code to use at checkout to save you some money. So if you use the code JunkieForever, you will get a whopping 75% off this product. How amazing is that? My under eye bags may be designer, but we need to show them some love. So I take my Origins Perfect World Eye Cream and just very gently tap this in onto my eyes. with my Forever Young, I use this on the cool mode, and because of the teardrop shaped head, it is so perfect for the under eye area. This helps reduce puffiness, which I get especially when I don't sleep or I've been editing all day. It's not a good look. This also helps reduce puffiness, which I get especially when I don't sleep, which is quite often, or if I've been editing all day. This just tackles the good old eye area. Now I'm just taking Lano Lips Lip Balm. This is amazing because it's an ointment keeping my lips hydrated. This may seem pretty basic, but just sitting and relaxing in a different area, writing down what's on your mind, is also a fab way just to de-stress, relax. It's getting everything from your mind onto the paper. It's definitely something that I feel like people should consider, because I am my own worst enemy in this. I stress myself out, I worry about things, I constantly think, but getting things from your head to a paper is a fab way. And then switching off from live by watching YouTube, Netflix, or listening to either a podcast, which I have been recently loving, I love podcasts at the minute, or just listening to music can help clear your mind so much. I hope you enjoyed this style of video, and hopefully it's maybe helped some of you just to take some time to yourself. Thank you to Vanity Planet for working with me again on another fab collab. Don't forget to use my discount code JunkieForever for 75% off. Honestly, really recommend. And I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.